Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Shreya and today here I am to solve a big problem. That is how to not get bored and enjoy chicken while you're on your diet. People keep asking me this question all the time. As chicken is lean protein, मैंने बहुत लोगों को देखा है बस प्रोटीन रिक्वायरमेंट करने के लिए they just boil the chicken and eat it. और मुझे लगता है why are you punishing yourself when you can enjoy chicken with my recipe? So here I am with 3 amazing chicken marination recipes that will change your life. Starting with a spicy chicken tikka. Basic red color की जो chicken tikka होती है. Let's see the ingredients. So here I have hung curd. You can also take dahi or yogurt or thick curd. Anything works. I have salt and the basic spices, turmeric, coriander powder and red chili powder and some ginger garlic and green chili paste आप market से भी ले सकते हो. I like to make it at home. And finally some lemon juice. Let's start whipping the first marination. If you want to take it to the next level, you can also add a pinch of chicken masala. Now mix everything. This looks good. Now let's add chopped chicken in it. I'll use my hands to mix and gently massage the chicken. आप spatula से भी कर सकते हो. Our first chicken marination is ready and this is my go-to chicken recipe. I usually make this for myself because it's so easy and the ingredients are also very simple. Let's move on to the second one. Now let's move on to the second marination, that is chicken pahadi tikka. It's vibrant green in color and it's so flavorful. Let's see the ingredients. So the green color in pahadi chicken tikka comes from coriander. So we have to blend coriander, hung curd or yogurt and some ginger garlic and green chili paste, lemon juice, salt and an extra green chili because I like it spicy. I'm also adding the salt while making the paste because eventually we have to add it, and the lemon juice as well. I'll quickly blend and make a paste of it. Our pahadi chicken tikka marination is ready and you saw how simple it was to make it. Look at that green color. Now you know the drill. Throw in the chicken, mash it with your hands and it's done. This looks pretty and our second marination is also ready. Now let's move on to the third marination, which is chicken malai tikka. This recipe will give you all the feels. It has so unique flavors. It's so simple yet so flavorful. Let me show you the ingredients. So here I have some hung curd, ginger garlic and green chili paste, salt, some fresh coriander leaves, kasuri methi, lemon juice, and there is cardamom and black pepper that will take this recipe to the next level. And also I have some fresh cream. अगर आप calories avoid कर रहे हो, तो you can skip the fresh cream or you can also put almond paste or cashew paste in the place of fresh cream. सबसे पहले black pepper और cardamom को कूटना है. Remove the outer covering of the cardamom. This looks good. Now let's make the marination. Our third marination of chicken malai tikka is ready. I remember the first time I tried this recipe at home, the final outcome was just the same as we get in restaurants. I can say this is my favorite recipe. all the three chicken marinations are done, you can put it in the fridge for 30 minutes and you can grill it or even air fry or bake it. Or if you want to make a big batch, you can do that as well. This stays well in the fridge for more than 2 days. To air fry or to bake the chicken, the temperature should be 200 degrees Celsius and it gets ready in 18 to 20 minutes. Personally, I tend to cook them in a pan most of the time, so let me show you how to do that. First, heat the pan, then add a little bit of oil, then add the chicken. And after 2 minutes, take it to low flame and cover and cook for 4 to 5 minutes. It's been 4 minutes now. I'll switch off the heat and I'll let the chicken rest for a minute. You can make a chicken tikka wrap of it, or you can throw it in your salads, or you can even enjoy them with rice along with some sauces, or enjoy them on their own with big chutney. So try these 3 chicken tikka marination recipes and stop punishing yourself and eating boring chicken all the time. Remember, food is to be cherished and enjoyed. Try this recipe soon and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next one and don't forget to follow me on Instagram at @weeklyfresh. Bye! Perfect. Who would believe this is a healthy, high protein meal?